I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the IELTS reading module. This module tests your ability to understand various academic texts. You will encounter 3 sections, each with different question types, and you must answer 40 questions in total. Developing a robust vocabulary and mastering time management are crucial for success. We will cover essential strategies to help you achieve your target score and confidently approach the exam. To excel in IELTS reading, you need to employ effective strategies. Begin by skimming each passage to get a general understanding of its content and structure. Then, practice scanning for specific keywords and phrases that relate to the questions. This helps you locate answers quickly without reading every single word. Learning to identify the main ideas and supporting details within paragraphs is also vital for many question types. The IELTS reading module features a variety of question types, and mastering each one is key. Dedicate time to practicing true, false, not given questions, understanding the subtle differences between false and not given. Work on matching headings to paragraphs and locating specific information. Also, hone your skills for sentence completion, summary completion, and multiple choice questions. Consistent practice with each type builds confidence and accuracy. Effective time management is paramount for the IELTS reading module. You have 60 minutes to complete 3 passages and 40 questions, so aim to spend roughly 20 minutes on each passage. Practice completing full tests under time conditions to build your speed and endurance. After each practice session, thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones. Understanding why you made mistakes is the best way to improve your score over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.